Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a financial mathematics question taken from the May-June 2019 NSC exam. With that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us exactly 10 months ago, a bank granted Jane a loan of 800,000 Rand at an interest of 10.25% per annum compounded monthly. So it's compounded 12 times a year. The bank stipulated that the loan must be repaid over 20 years, which is typical of a home loan. And it must be repaid by means of a monthly repayments of 7,853.15 starting 1 month after the loan was granted, so in arrears. The first question here, they've said to us 6.2.1, how much did Jane own immediately after making her 6th repayment? Right, so let's see how we can do this one. So we know that the present value of this particular loan is 800,000 Rand, and we know that she's paid six payments of the 7,853.15. So we need to try and find out how much did she owe immediately after that 6th payment. So what is the present value at that 6th or after that 6th payment? So we're going to use the present value formula, which is going to be the present value is equal to the monthly repayment times 1 minus, then we've got 1 plus I, so 1 plus I minus N all over I. Okay, so we've got interest rates and we've got the number of periods. Right, so let's plug in all of our values. So the X in this particular case is our monthly repayment, which is 7,853.15. We open up our brackets, 1 minus 1 plus I. The interest rate in this case is going to be 10.25%, so that's going to be 0.1025, and it's compounded monthly, so it needs to be over 12. Right, and we raise that to the minus 234. How did we get that? Well, that is 12 times the number of years that she's got left. If we look at it in terms of months, so she's paid off 6 months, and there are a total of 20 years, and there's going to be 240 months in those 2 years, right? So we take away 6 months, there's still another 234 months to go. Right, we're going to put that over our interest rate. Again, it's compounded monthly, so it's going to be 0.1025 divided by 12. Good. Okay, we're going to plug that into our calculator, and we're going to get an amount of 793,749.25. All right, so that is 6.2.1. We'll do 6.2.2 in the next video. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question. We'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.